It's been brought to the attention of the court that a staff member of the defense have been involved in social media activity that may be in violation of the rules of professional conduct. Under Rule 5.3, a supervising lawyer or lawyer is responsible for the conduct of employees. Mr. Savage, I would like for you to provide the court with a copy of any and all social media activity related to this case that have been engaged in by any employee of yours this week, as it might impact on Rule 3.6, and for you to provide a copy of that to the state as well. We'll review it and address the issue, if need be, next week.
Would the court be so kind as to tell me what the court is referring to?
Social media activity involving comments on the court's ruling, comments on the jury.
And who is alleged to have done that?
A paralegal in your office.
Any name associated with it?
Yeah, I'm sure you, how many paralegals do you have? It's not Miss Savage, I'm not sure. I don't know how many employees you may have. You may inquire of your paralegals and you shouldn't have difficulty in finding out. I don't want to publicly call anyone out, need be, if not necessary. I give you an opportunity to obtain the information, provide the court with a copy, provide the solicitor with a copy, and we'll discuss it. Anything further before we bring the jury?
I believe no witnesses here tonight. Actually, he's been here, Your Honor. I appreciate the court's indulgence. We had a disk issue and had to download because of the internet activity, which should have taken 60 seconds, took about 15 or 20 minutes. But I think we're ready to go now. So I thank you for your indulgence. We call Faith Santana.
All right. Bring the jury. All right, good morning.
Morning.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Members of the jury, prior to the start of the trial, I gave you an instruction that you're not to read anything about this case in the media. You're not to engage in any form of internet research or be involved in any social media activity or observe any social media commentary concerning this case. Has anyone violated that order? All right. Thank you. You may proceed.
Clayton Santana.
Santana?
Do you swear affirm the testimony you shall give the court and the jury in the trial of this case to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? I swear. Thank you, sir. Please state your first and last name and spell your last name loudly, clearly to the microphone.
Feidin del Rosario Santana. Feidin.
And your last name, how do you spell your last name?
Delrosario.
Yours.
Santana. Santana.
Clayton, how old are you?
25.
And where are you from?
Dominican Republic.
And at some point, did you move to the United States?
Yes.
And about how old were you when you moved here?
12 years old.
And who did you move here with?
I moved with my parents.
And at this time, where do you consider home?
Here's where I sustain my family. Here is my home.
Do you have any children?
Yes.
How many?
One.
And where does that child live?
Dominican Republic.
And have you spent any time with that child recently?
Yes.
So you've been in the Dominican
Yes.
recently?
Yes.
What is your first language?
Spanish.
How did you learn to speak English?
I came over here when I was 12, being in the high school and surrounded by friends, I learned the language.
When you went to school, when you were in school, did they put you in an English-speaking class and say, learn it,
No.
figure it out?
Regular class. I learn English more with the friends because
What's your definition of a regular class?
regular class is just English. It's just Spanish. Spanish and ESL, maybe 1 hour.
So at your school growing up, were there kind of two tracks, one for English speaking, one for Spanish?
Yes, yes.
What part of the country was that in?
That was in Newark, New Jersey.
And so from age 12 on, did you live in Newark?
I spent a year in Newark, New Jersey. Yes, a year.
Okay. Where did you move after that?
Yonkers, New York.
And then how about after that? Did you stay in Yonkers the whole time?
No, no. Then I moved to Providence, Rhode Island.
Peyton, how far did you go to school?
I went 2 semesters in college, CCRI, Community College of Rhode Island.
All right. And what were you studying to be?
Just general studies. I didn't have the language ready and didn't decide what I was going to do.
Okay. Today, what language do you and your family speak at home?
Spanish.
So you said you had some college. At some point, you're a barber now, right?
Yes.
At some point, before becoming a barber, did you have another career path that you were trying to take?
No career, just normal jobs.
Did you play baseball?
Yes.
And tell the jury about your experience with baseball.
Well, I played baseball in high school over here. As any Dominicans, you know, we a lover of baseball.
Do you like the Cubs?
No, man. I lost.
Who's your team?
Well, I don't. It's been always the Mets, but I'm not a Cub fan.
So, you played baseball in high school. Did you try to go further with your baseball?
Yes,
What did you do?
I went to Dominican Republic for a Prospect Academy to sign in a professional team, but I got injured.
And at some point, did you learn barbering skills?
Yes,
Where did you learn those skills?
I learned in Dominican Republic.
And about what age were you when you were learning to do that?
I was around 18 years old, 17. Yeah.
So after the baseball career or idea didn't work, and you learned the barbering skills, did you come back to America?
Yes,
And where did you live when you came back as an adult?
yes. I came. Can you repeat the question? I'm a little bit confused if it's when I started barbering or after the baseball. Can you repeat the question?
I'm sorry, I thought those were kind of the same time period. At some point, you came to live as an adult in America after being in the Dominican for a while, right?
Yes,
Okay. Where'd you move when you came back that time?
Atlanta.
And what kind of jobs did you do in Atlanta?
I work in a car wash there.
And at some point, did you get an opportunity to be a barber?
Yes,
Was that in Atlanta?
yes. I found. I met a person and he told me to come over here to Charleston for a barber job opportunity.
Did you do that?
Yes,
Do you remember about what year it was that you came to Charleston to be a barber?
2013.
All right, and what was the arrangement in 2013?
Can you explain arrangement?
What, who did you come to work for? Where did you live? Where did you work when you got to Charleston?
Okay, I live in Charleston with the wife of the person who said to come over here to work in the salon, in the barber shop, because he was gonna come after that to open the business, so he sent the barbers first. I was one of them.
Okay, and did that work out?
Didn't work out. It wasn't no clientele there.
Okay. So did you have some other jobs?
Yes.
instead? What kind of jobs?
Construction, painting.
And while you were doing construction, were you also barbering on the side,
Yes,
building your clientele?
correct.
And what part of Charleston were you living in at that time?
At that time, I was living on Rivers Avenue.
At some point, did you move to Gale Street
Yes,
with that same family?
correct.
And did the husband ever come?
He used to come back and forth, but he was a little bit disappointed with me because I wasn't doing the barbershop job.
Did you stay with that barber shop?
I stayed there, yeah.
And eventually, were you able to stop with the construction, the painting, and barber full-time?
Correct. As soon as I have clientele, I did it full time, the barber job.
Now, let's go to move from the 2013 time period to early 2015, okay?
Yes.
Did you go back to the Dominican at some point in 2015, around New Year's or January, sometime around in there?
Yes. In 2015, I went 2 weeks before this happened.
2 weeks before this happened? Okay.
Before, yes,
So
April
that would
4th.
have been in March.
Yes, March, yes.
And while I'm on the trip to the Dominican, are you here legally,
Yes, I have a permanent resident card.
permanent resident?
Since I came here, yes, in the country.
And with a permanent resident card, how long are you able to be out of the country at any given time?
I can stay in my country more than 6 months.
In the Dominican? you can
No,
stay.
I can stay more than 6 months in my country.
So you went 2 weeks before this incident, you think?
Correct.
And do you remember what day it was that you returned to Charleston?
Yes, I returned to Charleston on April 3rd. April
That was
3rd.
Friday?
Yes, a Friday.
And what were you scheduled to do on the morning of April the 4th?
I was supposed to be, it was Saturday. Saturday is business days in the barbers. And I was supposed to be there at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Well, did you make it at 7?
No, ma'am.
Were you supposed to open up?
Yes.
Well, what happened?
God doesn't have any coincidence. I woke up late that day, the April 4th.
You woke up late, and
Yes.
how was it that you would get to work from Gale Street to the barber shop?
Well, I used to go walking, I used to do it as a exercise. So that time, as I was running late, I was walking fast from Gale Street, used to take Craig Street to Remount Road and going directly to the barber shop, which was located on Rivers Avenue.
And on the morning of April 4th, did you see anything unusual?
Yes, ma'am.
Explain to the jury what you first saw as you were coming up Craig Street towards Remount.
Yes. When I was walking towards in Craig Street, I saw a man, green shirt, identified as a black man, running towards me, the same street that I was going over there to my work.
And did you see anything else?
Yes.
Anybody else?
A few seconds later, I saw a second person, an officer, chasing the guy.
They were coming towards you.
Correct. I was in the right hand. They were in this side, running this side.
I'm going to show you what's already been introduced as State's Exhibit 1. You've seen that before?
Correct.
Okay. This has been testified to as Remount Road.
Correct.
Okay. Craig Street.
Yes.
All right. So if you could just kind of point out to the jury which direction you were walking.
Yes. I was walking in this direction, this line over here, and they were running this side over here.
And can you demonstrate about where you were when you first noticed them?
Yes. I was around this point.
Okay. All right. And when you saw them coming in your direction, did that frighten you?
Definitely. Definitely.
What'd you do?
Well, I froze because I didn't know what was going on. So I decided to stop and see what was happening.
At that time, did you have your telephone?
Yes.
What were you doing with your telephone at the time?
Yes, I was in a cell phone call with a friend of mine.
Did you have earbuds?
I did, yes.
Did you have both earbuds in?
In the phone while I was in the phone call, yes.
Okay. All right. You said you froze. At any point, did you start moving again?
Yes.
Okay. Explain to the jury what happened with that.
Well, when they were running, I froze. And as I see the approachment for both men, I decide to walk a little bit more. And they enter to an empty lot. And that's when I lose sight of them. That's when I start running to get there in that area.
All right. And the empty lot, is that the lot with the yellow road?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you familiar with that area?
Yes, yes.
That was your route to work on
Yes,
So they made a turn onto the yellow road,
yes.
and where did you go?
I approached over there, to the alley. There's an alley before that empty lot. So I went there. As I know it's a big space, I tried to get there as faster as I could.
Okay, so on this map, where the yellow road is, where's the alley you're talking about?
Yes, the alley is this one over here. That's the alley.
Now, in between the alley and the yellow road, is there anything blocking?
There are trees there, but they are wide. They have a wide space, that it is.
Space between them?
Yes, yes.
How about any kind of barriers, fences?
Barriers, yes, there's a fence right there.
Okay. All right, so you turn down this alley.
Correct.
Did you keep those earbuds in?
No, man, I put it, I had a little bag, and as I was running, they fell off. So I remember putting them over there in the bag,
Okay.
and just keep one right here in this side.
When you got into the alley, parallel to the yellow road, what could you see?
I could see 2 men.
Were they standing up?
One was a little bit up.
Which
A lot of one was in the ground. The one that was up was the officer.
Okay.
The one on the ground was the guy.
All right, what did you see after that?
Well, the first thing that I caught my attention was the electric sound that I'd hear as soon as I approached there, and saw the man there on the ground. I didn't know what was happening. Didn't know what was happening, and just the electric sound right at the beginning caught my attention, and a punch from the officer to the person that was on the ground.
What part of the body was the punch going toward?
It was on this side over here.
Like this area, side area,
Yes, ma'am.
rib area?
This side, the right side, yes.
So after you saw that, what did you do?
Like I say, it was a little bit shock for me to see that, wasn't expecting it. So I decided, for some reason, to take my phone to record and prevent that something may happen. So I decided to approach, seeing the person on the ground, making an uncomfortable sound that you could hear. I decided to approach to the fence as much as I can and look for the camera option to record it.
Did you find the camera option?
Yes,
Did you start recording?
yes.
At that time, now that you were recording, at that time, were you certain that you were capturing what you were seeing?
Can you repeat that again, please?
Were you also watching what was happening after you hit record?
Yes, all the time.
Were you watching through your camera, or were you watching outside?
Before I had the video option, I was looking through the camera to get the video option. As soon as I get it, I look at the phone, zoom it a little bit.
Zoom it?
Yes,
Zoom it?
zoom it
Okay.
to have a better view with the camera, that the camera can have a better view.
Let me ask you this, from when you started recording to where the two men were using a baseball field,
Yes,
about how far do you think you were from where they were on the ground?
I would say 60 yards, which is home plate and second base together.
So across the pitcher's mound and second base? Not that
Yes,
far?
combines home plate, first base, and second base together.
Okay.
60 yards, I would say something like yes.
Okay. So after you got the camera zoomed, did you continue to watch?
Yes.
And what else did you see?
It was a lot of movement from both men.
Did you hear anything else? Did you hear that electric sound after
I
you?
continued hearing the electric sound as I was approaching to the fence. And they were moving. They were moving a lot. The black man, I felt that, so what I saw, that he just tried to get away from the taser that I was hearing. But I didn't know that it was a taser. I just knew that it was something electric sounding, but didn't know that it was.
Had you ever seen or heard a taser before?
I have seen it.
Where?
Some person in the barbershop used to go and sell stun guns
Okay.
there. But didn't know that an officer used those weapons, so I didn't recognize it at the beginning.
Did you actually see the taser or stun gun or whatever you were hearing in anybody's hands?
I didn't say any word to Scott's hands. And the officers, there were a lot of movement. I could see his left hand trying to control the black man.
What about his right hand?
His right hand, due to the side, to the position that they were standing, I could see it often, but not that much.
You didn't have a continuous view of the officer's right hand.
Correct.
You saw it go into the side of the black man? You saw his right hand go into the side of the
Correct.
black man?
Correct.
But you couldn't see if anything was in his hands?
That's right.
At any point, well, let me ask you this, while the two men were on the ground, who was on the top and who was on the bottom?
The officer was on the top.
At any point, did you see the black man on the top?
No, ma'am. Didn't see it.
And the officer was what color, what race?
White.
And he had on a uniform?
A black uniform.
So at all times, the officer you saw was on top?
Yes, but it was a lot of movement, as I said. It was just the black man trying to get away from the taser. And when I say a lot of movement, I don't mean being in a steady position. I mean moving, even try to stand up.
At any point, did he get up?
Yes.
What happened?
When he stand up, it was very quick, the way both men stand up. Science, I get to the alley. I saw just him, the black man, trying to get away, and the officer trying to control the person. When they get up, he get up aggressively, in a sense, determined to get up and to get away from that taser. So he get up in a position very quick. Both men get up very quick. And
What direction was the black man moving in
Direction?
Was he moving towards the officer? At the officer?
He was moving in a position, when you say at the officer, what do you mean? Please explain. I don't-
Did he move forward at the officer? Towards the officer?
Can I demonstrate?
Sure.
Because I would know how to explain it.
Okay.
Yes,
Can you stand up, or do you need somebody to demonstrate with you?
yes, yes.
May he come down, Your Honor?
Tell me what you want for me to do. Okay.
Yes, always was this direction.
Who?
The black man
Okay.
was trying to get up in this direction right here. This direction to get away from the tailor. That's what I saw. Him trying to get up this way. The officer was saying this way, inside, over here.
Okay.
Yes.
And then what happened when he got up? Did he move at the officer?
Yes, he moved towards, like, this side. The officer was grabbing him. And when I say aggressively, I mean, like, if you holding me this way, and I just try to move and leave, to get away from you.
Did you see any kind of taser or any kind of stun gun at that point?
I didn't saw anything of that.
Do you need to
Yeah.
demonstrate any more, or,
No.
okay, you can have some. Do you know, when the two men were standing, do you know which hands the officer was using to control the black man?
The left hand.
The officer was using his left hand?
Yes, he was using both hands, but the one that I can see to control was the left.
His left hand. And do you know what part of Walter Scott's body he used his left hand to control? Could you tell where he was grabbing, or do you remember where he was grabbing?
Are you talking about the beginning, or are you talking about before he got up?
When they're up on their feet and you said Walter Scott was pulling away, do you know if the officer was holding on to anything, and if so, what with his left hand?
Yes, the left hand, what I saw was grabbing or holding right hand. That's right.
Walter Scott's right hand
Correct,
was held by the officer's left hand.
correct.
Did Walter Scott get away?
Yes.
You didn't know Walter Scott.
No, I didn't know what to Scott.
You just know that's his name now, right?
Correct.
All right. What happened after he got away?
Well, after he got away, that's been something that I have never forget. And it's been something that I didn't expect. He shoot the man running from him. And he shot it till he gets on the ground.
To the right man got to the ground?
Yes, sir.
What'd you do?
I started recording. I continued recording and approached over there when the shooting was over. I decided to walk towards where Walter Scott was on the ground.
And at
No, ma'am. I saw, since the beginning, yes. Let's say I saw something fell.
Something fell?
Yeah, but I didn't know anything. What it was, I didn't know. It was, let's say, compared to both men, it was something very small. I didn't really thought it was, no.
Okay. So after the shooting, you walked down the fence line?
Yes, I continued walking to the alley to try to approach with it. And
At that point, Faden, did you know that Walter Scott was dead?
no,
Did you know, this might sound silly, but did you know that there were real bullets used?
I thought it was, how you say, the other type of bullets that it can be shot. What's the name of those bullets? I didn't knew it was real bullets, right there.
Rubber bullets?
Yes, rubber bullets.
Why would you have thought rubber bullets might have been used?
Well, in my country, many officers use those type of weapons. And let's say when it's a demonstration or something, they use it against the crowd. So
Okay. What did the officer do after Walter Scott fell?
he went there and arrested him, and that's
What do you mean by arrested him?
arresting him. He arrested him. I hear him saying, "Put your hands in the back," and
Walter Scott
hang.
put his hands in the back?
No, he wasn't. He didn't move. So he handcuffed him, and that's what happened when he got there.
And after handcuffing Walter Scott, what did the officer do?
The officer went back to the point where they were over there in the ground,
See
and
what he did?
he bent down. He bent down there, pick up the same, like I said, that object. But my focus was on Walter Scott that was on the ground.
And what did he do after he went over and picked something up?
He
Where did he go?
he walks toward where the Walter Scott was.
Did any other officers show up?
Yes.
And what did you see when the next officer showed up?
Well, the next officer was standing checking the body of the person, checking Walter Scott.
When in that process did the second officer get there?
You mean
Where was the officer who shot Walter Scott when the second officer arrived? Do you know?
yes, when he arrived, when the other officer, black officer, was there, the other officer who shot was away from there.
And when the second officer got there, what did he start doing?
He started checking on Walter Scott back
And
body.
did you continue filming for a while?
Yes.
And did you see the officer who shot Walter Scott do anything, any kind of aid or anything to Walter Scott?
No, ma'am.
And do you see that officer who shot Walter Scott here today?
Can you say it
Do
again?
you see the officer who shot Walter Scott here today?
Yes.
And where is he?
See him right there.
In the blue tie?
Blue tie.
Your Honor, please let the record reflect he's identified the defendant.
It does.
Did you continue recording?
Yes.
And at some point, did you stop recording?
I did.
And why did you stop?
I wanted to talk to the officer that was there, the black officer that was there, and check if Walter Scott was okay.
So what'd you do after you stopped recording?
I went over there and asked the black officer if he was okay, and he gave me, I would say, a positive response, saying that yes, that he was okay, and also told me like to leave, but in a very good way. And I thought that
What
was,
do you mean by that? He wasn't trying to get rid of you. Was he trying to get rid of you? Did you get that feel that he was trying to get rid of you?
that's what he said to me.
Did you feel threatened by him saying that?
I was a little bit scared because I didn't know what was going on. Like I said, I thought that he was okay, that Walter Scott was okay, but at the same time, I just could see him in the face on the ground. You know, I wanted to say that, like to turn it, the face around so he can breathe or something if he was okay. But what his response is that he was okay and like to just leave, that somebody was coming, something like that.
Like EMS or somebody was coming, is that what you got?
Somebody was coming.
Okay.
That's what I heard.
And at some point, did you start videoing again?
Yes.
And the second time you started videoing, did you record for very long?
I record for maybe less than a minute, the second video.
And did other officers continue to arrive?
Yes.
And did you speak to any of the other officers that arrived?
Yes, that was before, after I stopped the second video, it was a patrol car coming towards the alley very fast. So I decided to quit the camera and just leave. But I saw another officer a little bit far inside the empty space where they were, and I tell him that that I saw and I witnessed what happened and that I videotaped it.
Did you know for sure you had videotaped at that point?
I didn't know for sure that I videotaped. No.
You hadn't had a chance to view it and see? if
No,
you
no,
got it or
no,
anything?
no.
Why were you telling him that?
I don't know what happened. I don't know what made me say that to him. But I say that that I witnessed what happened there as a way to let them know that what I saw was an abuse. So I felt that way that person will know that I know something.
Okay. And did you stay with them and give them your name and?
No. He said to stay there. I left.
Maybe I'm going to show you State's Exhibit 10. You recognize that?
Yes.
And what is that?
That's my cell phone.
Is that the cell phone you used
Yes.
to take the video?
Yes.
And did you alter the video or make any changes to the video before you eventually gave it up?
No, ma'am. I'm a barber. I'm not a technician. Correct.
with us. State's Exhibit 11, the unenhanced version of your video, does that contain both video files, the one that had the shooting and then you stopped, and then the second file where you recorded again?
Correct.
Okay, and you watched that and initialed it?
Yes.
And is this a fair and accurate copy of what is in your video on State's Exhibit 10?
Yes.
And then, State's Exhibit 237, it's been a challenge. Are those your initials on the back of that?
Correct.
And is this also a fair and accurate copy of the video in State's Exhibit 10 on your phone?
Correct.
Okay. Now, the difference in this one, the one that you watched this morning, is what? As far as the rotation of your camera?
Yes.
Okay. Explain to the jury what this one has.
Yes, that one is the video of what happened that day. And yeah.
When you started recording using State's Exhibit 10, at some point, you turned your camera.
Correct.
Right?
Yes.
And if you watch it on your camera or in the exact copy of your phone, you have to turn your head, right, to be oriented.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
In this one, you don't have to do that. Is that
Correct. Correct.
Your Honor, we'd offer State's Exhibit 10, 11, and 237 into evidence.
Any objection?
No, sir.
You are admitted without objection.
Your Honor, at this time, we would ask to publish State's Exhibit 237 and to have the clerk explain the headphones for the jury. You have-
And before we do that, we're going to break for about 3 or 4 minutes. If you will go to the jury room, please do not discuss the case. We'll have you back shortly. Then recess for about 5 minutes. Take a break as well, and not discuss your testimony.